Hey, what's up? It's Patrick. I keep trying to re-record the intro because my eyes are burning because I'm wearing contacts. Let's go on a walk. Bye, buddy. I really have no clue what the temperatures are like outside or if there's a lot of water or anything, but I guess we'll see. I peeked out to the alley. Looks like a lot of the snow has melted. I absolutely love these boots, but I've had them for a few years and started to wear through, so I think I have to figure out how to patch it. I stepped outside and thought that I was overdressed, and I was so hot because the sun was beating down. And then I walked like 2 blocks and now it's like absolutely freezing because of the wind. Chicago. It's really beautiful outside. The sky is gorgeous. I want to head more west, I think, and see if it's a little bit warmer. There's a house kind of by my apartment that has a backyard that is full of evergreen trees, and every time I pass it, it just makes me so happy to see, and it makes me think about how awesome it would be to just lay out there. I don't know, it's just green year round, it's beautiful. This tree looks so wrinkly. Did someone just put a potted plant in this tree? What? I don't know about you, but I just love walking. It's such an enjoyable activity, and I honestly feel like, I guess that's basically what hiking is in a beautiful setting, but there's something so relaxing to me about just walking for a long time. We have gone so far, and I need to break. I'm honestly so thirsty. I didn't bring any water. Hello, buddy. Missed you, buddy. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm definitely feeling tired, so I'm gonna go drink some water and coffee and probably lay down. Have a good day.